Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my October Boxycharm for you guys. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service, $21.99 or so a month. You get 5 full-size products in your box and I absolutely love it. There's nothing else to say about it. Alright guys, so the theme for October's Boxycharm is Alter Ego. And here is a list of the products. And I believe I got variation 1. Okay guys, so first thing in here is this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I've been dying to try these for years. I can only hope that I got a nice color. It's in the color K-Dub. And I will wear this. Why not? Let's try it. Let's swatch this. Yeah, I'll probably wear this. That's the color right there. It's a nice color. Thank God I got this and not like a brown. I hate like those brown, nude brown looking lippies. So I'm excited for this. This retails for $20. So just with this, you're already paying your Boxycharm. Next thing in here is from It Cosmetics. I'm excited about this too. And this is their Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I should definitely do some mascara videos because I have like 2 already that I can do like first impressions of. This retails for $24. And I love the little tube. I've heard good things about this. It's kind of like hourglass shape, but not entirely. And let me show you the wand real quick. And I'm excited to try this one out. All right, next thing in here, I'm like ultra excited to try because I've seen people trying it all over Instagram and I can't wait to do it. I'm gonna see if I do it tonight and I'm gonna do a story on this. This is the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. And it says with compression technology, and it's intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. So there's 2 lace masks in here and the little tube. And the peel intensity level is medium. So that's that. And I don't know if you guys have seen on Instagram anybody doing it, but it's like the whole lace thing and then it like they put it here over your ears. I can't wait to try this. I need to get on stories to do this. That's gonna be hilarious. The next thing in here is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And this is from Pharmacy and it was made exclusively for Boxycharm. And this retails for $22. Oh, the mask retails for what? For $30, that lacy mask. So, ooh, this is what that balm looks like. It's like a minty color. This is interesting. This is really interesting. I'm liking this. Hopefully it'll work well. And the last thing in here is a palette. And this is from Pure. And this is their Midnight Masquerade palette. This has gorgeous colors in there. Look at that. So let's open it up. All right, so it opens up like a little book. Look how pretty. So what this has in it is, these are 6 shadows and these are all blushes. And it has a nice mirror. The colors are Exposed over here. Wait. Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime, Mask Off, Disguise, 12 a.m. And then the blushes are Twilight, Hidden Secret, Enchantment, and Reveal. And I know a lot of people said that they would not use like all of these like blushes, which I kind of agree, but they are beautiful colors. Like I'm taking the little plastics off so you can see them. They are gorgeous, like blushes that I would never think of using, but you never know. Like, look at this one right here. Like, that is just gorgeous. That's Reveal. A lot of people said they were going to use this as a highlight. This is a gorgeous palette. Let me swatch something for you guys. All right, I'm going to swatch Showtime, which is this nice like blue. I'm going to swatch Disguise. I'm going to swatch 12 a.m. and then I'll swatch Exposed. That's those 4 colors right there. The last one is like up here. I don't know if you can really see it, but this one right here, which is like that purpley, it shows up like more pink. It's beautiful. And look at that blue. Oh my gosh. This is a gorgeous palette. I'm glad we got this palette. I'm excited about that. All right, guys. So, oh, and let me swatch. You guys want me to swatch some blushes? Let's swatch the blushes. Reveal. Those are the blushes, guys. That's absolutely gorgeous. Whoa. Can you even see like the first one? The first one should be a highlight, not a blush. You can't see it. It's like over here. But look at those colors. Oh my gosh. I'll wear those as shadows, honey. Let me tell you. I will wear those as shadows. They're gorgeous. They are beautiful. All right, guys, that's it for my Boxycharm video for the month of October. I absolutely love it, as I do every single box. If you guys are interested in Boxycharm, I'll have the link down below so you guys can subscribe. It's so worth it, guys. Like, literally, it's so worth it. Boxycharm is super worth it. So if you want to subscribe, the link will be down below. I love them. They're awesome. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye, my loves.